respected elders, at the outset I would like to tell, please don't compare students to products and teachers to salesmen. It's my earnest request. And even if you do, then I would like to tell you that salesman works at the finer details of the product, then only his product sells. So the teachers must work upon the personalities of the students, then only they are going to withstand the various difficulties that they are going to face in their lives. Thank you. The measure of teacher's affection is reflected in his concern for his students' appearance, that their personalities be balanced and well proportioned, that they feel at peace with themselves and their environment, and that they utilize their talents and fulfill their potential. Students and teachers can't stop the thoughts, the feelings and memories that thwart the interrelationship. The famous saying goes, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Through awareness and openness in the professional and the personal lives, the waves become vehicles for a stronger relationship. For the students, with adulthood on its onslaught, questions tend to come in the mind at the speed of light. And these questions, you don't find the answers from your friends. You need teachers because you are away from your family, so you need teachers for those answers. Certainly, some answers are not found, but the teachers can tell you how to reach to those answers. Certainly, a teacher can't give you a sure shot mantra of success, but he can tell you how not to fail. Then I would like to tell that a student can be an academic genius, but at the same time he can be a social disaster. If his personalities are not told by the teachers, how come their personality will groom into a good leader in the near future? How you present yourself, how you communicate, how you behave with your juniors, seniors are the reflections of your persona. If your mentor wants you to be good at those traits, he must interfere in your personal life. One of the most marked characteristic of the present day teaching is that the feeling that the teacher is not one who has lived and the student is not who is going to live, but both lives in the present. It is like fresh life meeting fresh life. The core of the student-teacher relationship is continuity, an unbroken continuity between the life, understanding and inspirations of the teachers and the life, understanding and inspirations of the teachers. So at the end of this, I will tell that if I have hurt anyone's feeling, forgive me, for I am still a student. And also in this Kalyug, we have a pair of Dr. P.K. Tripathi sir and Sachin Kashyap. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kashyap. Now I invite